Hey fam, so I just wanted to come and do a quick little video of how getting food from a food bank can help you and your family. You know, right now with food costs going up, a lot of times you will see places like churches or grocery stores or different like charitable places giving away these boxes, and a lot of them have a lot of good things in them. So I'm gonna go through and see, what they have in them today. And I know sometimes the food banks don't always give you everything that you will want, but it's more so just getting things to help be fillers for times when you need to go to the grocery store or to put in your pantry. You never know when you may need it. So let's see what we got today. So we are a family of 6, you guys. I just opened up the box, and the good thing is they do give you a lot of fresh produce. So it's just like you're going to the farmer's market, but they're pretty much bringing it to you, right? So this is a big head of cabbage. So that looks really good and healthy, y'all. Okay. And then our kids love mangoes. And it's pretty wet, so I guess they rinsed it off before they started to box it up. So mangoes, there's one of those. We have 2 big onions. Okay, 2 big onions, a bell pepper. So a lot of these are vegetables you can either make for your salad, like a cucumber. You can put that in your water, put it in your salad. Tomatoes, we were just talking about making some fried tomatoes, so you can use these for that because we have some buttermilk in the refrigerator we need to use up anyway. Apples, I was just saying I wanted to make some cheesy squash, so here's a yellow squash. Now you also have some potatoes, so there's about 3 of those in there. Here's some more apples, and a whole bag of carrots. So you have a fresh bag of whole carrots. Y'all know we love to eat these. So not bad. There's about 3 tomatoes in here. So we're going to use those up. So that's for the produce and for the vegetables. So now moving on to the pantry side of things. They pretty much give you, things that you can stock up. So here's some spaghetti noodles. 2 packs of these. If you like cornflakes, here's a big bag of those. And with the cornflakes, it comes with some milk. Now, if you don't drink the 1% low-fat milk, this will be an adjustment to you when you get things from the food bank, because again, it's not going to always be things you're used to or want to, if you had your choice of going to the grocery store. But if you fall hard on hard times, or your budget is tight, I don't really think you want to really care about what type it is unless you're lactose intolerant. So we're just going to put these to the side, and it's 2 of these. Okay, now they also come with some canned meats, can of chicken. And they don't have like the fresh meat. I think some of the pantries may come with like actual fresh packs of chicken or turkey. So if you guys know of any pantries that gives out actual like real meat, comment down below. Everybody can benefit from knowing what those places are, because not everybody likes the canned meat. This is another white chicken. And then they also supply you with tuna fish. So this is some tuna, yellowfin. This one is in water, so if you're used to using yours that's in water, or if you like the tuna fish in oil, this one is in water. Okay. Also provided some grape jelly. That way you can make some sandwiches. Here's a can of tomatoes, so crushed tomatoes. So it's pretty much a box that will get you started, where if you can't make it to the store, you have pretty much a whole complete meal in the box. Spaghetti sauce. So apparently, they're telling you can make some spaghetti. So even if you can't think of what to make, you don't have to actually use it for spaghetti, but this is the idea and the components that they're giving to you in this box. You can't go wrong with a can of black beans. Peanut butter. Now this is to go with the jelly. creamy peanut butter. The only thing that's not in here is some bread. So, I mean, if you have some flour in your pantry, then you can make some homemade bread. This is a bag of brown rice, chickpeas, and that's pretty much it. And the good thing is they did put on the side of the box, you know, what's included in here. So it does show you everything that's in the box beforehand. The vegetables, it didn't show. Now again, you know, do not sleep on the food pantry. I always say sometimes things are hard. You know, we're a real family too. So sometimes we need things like this to help us get by or to help us stock up. If you guys like thrifting, you know, shopping at the thrift store, those are hand-me-down. So it's nothing wrong with getting some free food from the food bank. So don't pride yourself like, oh, well, I can never, you know, get the free food because it's handouts. It's from the community. A lot of these are farmers or, you know, just alternative ways where if you have a tight budget, you can, you know, get some of these items to help you out. Listen, we all know the food is getting high. So if your family is as big as ours, meaning you may have 4 or more people in your household, you know how much it takes to feed everybody, especially for the whole week. So if you need to meal plan or do anything like that, do it out of these boxes. And again, you should have some food in your freezer, like meats to be able to hold you over, rice, potatoes, different things like that. So I just wanted to show you, you know, us getting some items from the food bank to show you guys that everybody can do it, no matter what your size is, no matter how big your household is. Now, if you found this video useful, go ahead and give us a big old thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more large family, inspirational, you know, conversations. And if you guys always or get food from the food bank, let us know too. Again, if you know of the food banks to give actual like meats, real meats, we all need to know about those. Okay, don't hide the secrets, you guys. Let everybody know. But we'll see y'all back with the next video. Bye.